How's it going again? This is Pilz, and we're going to have a look at the TUDIA TPU cases. I have both the clear and black version of this case. I will say it is a good case. The clear one, it looked much better when I first got it. You can see it's kind of dingy now. It's kind of a downside, but you know, it does get dirty. It doesn't clean very well, but it is still an excellent case for a nice general TPU case with, you know, good buttons on it. There we go, just kept trying to get that to focus. This case, you know, as you can see, it has a nice clear top and bottom and kind of this like frosted TPU back. And the TPU here, you know, it's kind of similar to any other TPU you'd get. It doesn't really show scratches on the clear as much. The black one, I guess it does pick up a little bit of fingerprints as you can see here, but again, it doesn't really show scratches all that well, which is good. I don't like, you know, having a case that looks all banged up. You know, no one wants that. The microphone hole, again, is actually cut quite well, comparatively speaking to other cases. It's not overly huge, but it is good. You know, it's not anything abnormal where you get a bunch of dirt in there. The buttons press really well, about the same as the sub case that I have and I showed earlier. You know, they're labeled plus minus, you know, power. Does have the cutout for the dimple here, as you can see, as well as the camera. Depending on how you put it on, this actually could be a little off on either side. I can demonstrate here. So if I, you know, pop this side in first and that one, you can see it's a little skewed to this side here. However, you know, I'd recommend once you pop the bottom in, you kind of apply even pressure the best you can to try and get it, you know, centered there. No big deal. It just depends on how you put it on. This case is actually very thin. It's thinner, much thinner than the sub case, I would say. About the same as the Cruiser Light, maybe slightly thicker. This is the Cruiser Light one on the left here. And the port opening is a little on the smaller side. The Motorola cable, which comes with it, or with the phone I should say, does cause it to bulge just a little bit, but it doesn't really matter. It still fits just fine. Your headphone jack up here, you have an enlarged port. Pretty much fit anything you throw at it. Works really well, and you know, again, this is one of my favorite TPU only cases, as opposed to the hybrid style of the sub case over there. I would definitely recommend getting this, you know, even though the white one does get dingy over time. If you don't like white, they have black. I think they have teal and magenta, but the black, you know, does look really good, and the clear did for a while, but you know, unfortunately, it did collect a lot of dirt that doesn't want to come off. Thank you for watching, and look forward to more videos.